Ayan. So, eto na. Okay, may balita ulit.
Ano daw, ulitin daw yung verse ng earpiece.
Ulit.
Pero ito daw muna.
Okay, sige.
Ito daw muna. Ang gawin ka pa ba?
Oo, mamaya magkawan na. Sinisigurado ko na mabuti. Okay, ito na. Ulitin muna natin ang tuluyan. Okay, in 3, 2, 1. Ayan. Punto. Basta hindi ba? Ayan. Ating mga okay, panoorin natin ang ABT.
Papaya sa
Maraming salamat at ayan. Ating mga napakadami partners na mo naman. Hindi ba? Bukas bulsa dyan.
Pero, ano release by October or course, para may time pa kayo para ewan ko lang ba?
May time pa para
May time pa, may time pa.
At kung hindi ba nakapag-ikuan again, let's pay later, last pay later, visit nyo lang Precious Pages Bookstore sa Orange Avenue. So ayan guys, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. At syempre, para kami natin yung ating mga authors at ang kanilang upcoming groups and titles. Again, reminder sa lahat po na nandito, pagpalik po natin sa website, sa meeting room, or
Alam mo, pag mabahalan mo, maling tinulakan.
regardless kung ano yung number na dito, lagay na sa taas na ayusin dito. Maraming salamat. Everyone, and kayo, kuya Alex
Si Ryan wala. Hoy.
Ano hingin mo yung mga
Dami.
illustrating a picture. What do you think is like the first step? Also, like, what is the most important that so the first step is actually start obviously for you to story. And parang wala na or parang magawa ng ito,
Foundation Communications Foundation would like to announce the presence of Witness mission stories of Basilan and Wang Subokti at Yungkong isang Book signing will be available at Narration Publications at ILI and J, book numbers 233 to 238. Exhibit hall numbers 1 to 4. Narration Communications Foundation would like to announce the presence of PA General
there are two ways that you can land a drop in this
Witness mission stories of Basilan and Wang Subok Talungkot Isang
pitching parang there will be a full of illustrators coming to
Book signing will be available at Narrations Publications at
nagtatranslate ko sa story mo sa customer tapos nag-relate doon sa story illustration. So yun, may mga ganong processes. Pero yeah, share ko lang yung a little story about my first children's book. So this is my first published children's book. It's called Salamat Po. Kanina nabanggit with, sa introduction ko na I also worked as an art director before in an ad agency. Itong project na to actually serendipitous siya kasi the writer for this story, for Salamat Po, was actually my boss in advertising, Sir Russell Molina. So siya yung boss ko nung when I was still an art director. And every time that we hang out before, so okay yung environment na I really love working in the ad agency, pero anyway, so we hang out a lot with my boss, tapos kwentuhan. Madalas namin na pag-uusapan yung our love for children's literature and how magical it is. So, nakwento ko sa kanya na ever since bata pa lang ako, I always wanted to be an illustrator. So, hindi ko alam na ano siya, author ng children's book. So, one time, like, I guess, he has this book naisip niya parang
Ano isa-isa?
Calling the attention of Mr. Jibril Alorte, please proceed to Secretariat Office. Ground floor aisle 2. Once again, calling the attention of Mr. Jibril Alorte, please proceed to Secretariat Office, ground floor aisle 2.
May buy one get one na sa lahat ng box. More than 50% off na.
We noticed something slightly odd. Her cue hat. Her cue
Good afternoon. It's your last chance to try Lindsay's Coffee's Ube Latte, Kyoto Latte, Celebrity Espresso, and more here at MIPF 2024. Come visit us at the second floor of SMX Convention Center. See you and have a great day.
But you're still going. After staying in almost a week. Yes. And what's your There's a big and new
Good day, Latin national shoppers. Join the book signing with the best-selling young adult authors, Rita Yuto and Kay Allen. It's happening from 2 to 3 p.m. at the National Bookstore booth. Find them at the aisles 3 to M, 40, and get up to 10% off on their books. Thank you.
Tour therapy stores and activity stores, please take care of your valuables. Because it's easy to use. Yes. Tour therapy stores and activity stores, please take care of your valuables. Great.
silent, silent.
You can do it all. And with the student, teacher, and parent group, everyone can.
Okay na? Alam mo,
and I as a sociologist, it's a challenging role. So that's one of the first challenges. So over time, no, so marami kami mga conversations, mga Zoom sessions, coffee, ganyan. So that's one. Pero the second, yung nabanggit ni Kuya Rico, pero susugan ko lang ng konti. Kasi, syempre, we are aware na yung when we talk about discipleship sa Pilipinas, di ba may mga common, may mga predictable mga topics na tayo pagdating sa discipleship. Evangelism, the usual, di ba? Prayer, devotion, ilang memory verse na meron ka, o ilan na yung Bible, anong versions ng Bible meron ka, etc., etc. This time, we want to push the envelope a little bit. So parang ang question namin is, pero how far can we push? Parang to be honest about it, parang how provocative can we be? Anong mga issues ang pwedeng pag-usapan nang hindi nakaka-destroy ng mga relationships? Especially as Christians, di ba? Parang we want to be salt and light, pero we also want to be prophets. So pag salt and light, medyo madali kasi parang gusto mo maging nice to people. Pero pag prophetic, you speak truth to power eh. And not many Christians are accustomed to that approach, speaking truth to power. Hopefully, pag ginasa nyo ko yung libro, na-encourage ko kayo hindi ko kayo.
Parang may idea yung viewers natin dun sa topic.
Oo.
Kasi na, what after all is discipleship. And then meron din tayong walk inside the church. Favor, wisdom, and wisdom. More than ever, everyone wants to be a salt and light, peace and love. The common good, work over the world.
nangyari?
Ayan.